I can't believe it. We are inside and it is ours. This just doesn't feel real at all. I've spent 2 years DIYing and decorating this second floor 3-bedroom apartment, and while I have loved transforming this rental into a home, it is time to move on to our next adventure. Today is a really big day because Alex and I are gonna go check out what I think is our dream apartment. We have been driving past this apartment for a year now and just daydreaming about living there, and I'm so excited to see this one because it has just so much more space than where we're currently living, and that is definitely what we need. And so my fingers are crossed that it turns out that it's not too good to be true when we go and we see this apartment and talk with them and hopefully fill out an application. So I'm gonna bring you guys along with me because this is so huge. Okay, we are in the car. I am so excited. Alex, are you excited or nervous?
I think it's a little mix of both.
This could be our future. Should we like wait a second or should we just be early?
Let's be early.
Okay, here we go. There it is, available units. What a whirlwind that just was. I did not expect that we got to actually see the property, and so that was really nice that we were able to go in and look, and it's really, really nice. I did really like it. So what we ended up doing, because we don't want to miss out, is like rushing around to get the application filled out and get the application turned in, and now we just cross our fingers that we get it. Oh, well, I guess what were you guys thinking? What would work for you guys? Next week? Wait, does that mean we got the apartment? Oh, wow. Okay, well, I honestly didn't expect to get the phone call right now, but that is such good news. Okay, sounds good. We got the apartment. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. I didn't think this phone call would happen so soon. Sorry, I have you guys set up kind of weird because I didn't expect this. Oh my gosh, I didn't expect that this would happen so soon. I'm gonna have to call Alex and let him know. This is so exciting.
Hello?
Hey, Alex.
Hey, what's up?
I don't know. Maybe you should try guessing.
I really have no idea. You need to tell me.
We got the apartment.
Wait, really?
Yes.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah, I just got the phone call like a couple minutes ago. He called asking when we wanted to move in, and I was just like, what? And then I had to ask. I had to be like, does that mean we got the apartment? And he said our application was approved.
I guess we could talk about it tonight, and then we can make a decision, and then go from there.
Sounds good. Okay, I'm gonna get back to work here, let you get back to work.
Okay, cool. I'll see you later.
Okay, love you.
All right. Love you too.
Bye. I can't believe it. We got the apartment. I'm so excited. Okay, next time you see me, I think, fingers crossed, we'll be going to go pick up the keys. So I am so excited because tomorrow Alex and I go pick up the keys for the new apartment. I just can't believe that this day has come so quickly, but also that it's finally here. Now, we actually ended up having to push back going to get the keys, so we've been anxiously like awaiting for tomorrow and just can't get here any faster. So I thought it'd be really fun if we ceremoniously packed up one box to take with us over to the new place for tomorrow. That's because this move has happened so quickly that we're not ready to truly move in yet, but I wanted to bring a box in when we go pick up the keys to kind of symbolize what we are doing and this big change. And so yeah, I thought we could pack in some like meaningful items, some things that kind of symbolize us and our goals and our interests, and then take that to the new place tomorrow. Look what we got! The keys to our new apartment! I can't believe it's here, and we get to go inside and see our brand new home. Alex, how are you feeling?
This is pretty exciting.
It honestly just feels really just like this isn't happening, and I can't believe it. I can't believe it. Okay, let's go check it out. Welcome. Oh, I just tripped. Welcome to our new home and my very graceful entrance. Oh, well. Should we redo it? I can't believe it. We are inside and it is ours. This just doesn't feel real at all. I can't believe it. Ready?
3,
2, 1. Alex, what do we got there?
got a little bit of some sparkling grape juice.
To celebrate. So I thought I would jump in here for a quick chat because I feel like the first half of this video moved so fast. And honestly, this entire moving process has moved so fast. So I thought I would do a little bit of some explaining about what led up to this point and some of the future plans and where we go from here. So obviously, as you saw, Alex and I signed for a brand new apartment and I'm so excited. I'm honestly still in disbelief that we are going to be calling that new townhome our home. It just feels so good and exciting. We have, as I mentioned, been dreaming about living there ever since we discovered these townhomes existed. And I'm just so happy that it's becoming a reality and that the timing just lined up where we were able to get an apartment there, because we actually did look a year ago when this lease for this apartment was starting to get closer to ending and they didn't have any availability and didn't think they were at the time. So we signed on for another lease here. So we've been living in this apartment for 2 years now. Our goal with this new townhome is to make this a little bit more long-term if it turns out to be good. Obviously, you can't really know before going into a situation if it's going to be a good one to be in, but our ideal would be to stay there a little bit long term. But honestly, the reason that we're moving is because we outgrew this current apartment. It is a 3-bedroom, 1-floor apartment on the 2nd floor, and honestly, there's just been a lot of just problems, as well as not enough storage. Now, I feel like maybe to the average person, it might be plenty, but as a DIYer, I need more closet space. I feel like we outgrew this apartment before we even moved into it. We really just needed more room. So a townhome is going to be perfect. Now, one of the things I do want to be super transparent about is we have a lot of overlap on this apartment and that apartment. I'm talking a full 2 months. Now, by the time you see this video, I think we'll be about a month into that overlap, just because timing and moving and packing and all of that stuff, like that's just gonna take up the majority of my time. And so obviously like creating content hasn't been a huge focus of mine, but we just figured we could not pass up on this opportunity. Alex and I really talked about this and decided that if we let that go in the hopes that a different apartment there would have turned up, we might not have gotten it. We would have been stuck here for another year, which is not what we wanted. There's just been so much that has happened here and just a lot of things that have just kind of made it where we don't want to stay in this current apartment. We figured it was worth a little extra money to pay double rent and get the new apartment, because I think this is going to be just a lot better because it allows me to create content. It allows me to obviously spend some time tearing down all of the renter-friendly DIYs here and showing you whether or not they truly are renter-friendly. So that is definitely to come in a future video. There's still going to be several videos from within this apartment before we even move over to the new apartment and we start doing all of the DIYs and room makeovers over there. So yeah, we have a lot to do here. I keep saying it, but I'm just still in so much disbelief that this is happening. It does not feel real. And I just thought we'd have this little chit chat and talk about, you know, what's going on, because I feel like that is big. And honestly, it's the explanation of why I haven't been posting too much lately. I said on a community tab post a little bit back that I was going through some big decisions. This is one of them. The other one was job related. That all got sorted out. This got sorted out all kind of at the same time. So it's been a very stressful past few weeks. Honestly, the first quarter here of 2025 has been incredibly stressful, but that season is over. And now we're moving on to the season of moving out and moving in and starting over in a brand new space, brand new makeovers, brand new DIYs. And honestly, I just feel like it's going to be our year for Alex and I, and I'm really, really optimistic for what's to come, because I really just feel like this is what we needed. I feel like this is what my channel needed, my creativity needed, and yeah, I think it's gonna be a really good thing. So if you are here and you are watching this to this point, make sure that you are subscribed, because again, we have all of our moving out videos to do here. We are going to have to do a massive teardown operation in this apartment, and I want to take you guys along with me as we do it. We're going to do some recaps of some of our favorite DIYs, and then of course, the grand reveal of the new apartment is all coming very soon. So yeah, make sure you're subscribed, comment down below what you are most excited for, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next video. Bye.